Gutters are a critical component of your home's protection system, responsible for diverting rainwater away from your property. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring your gutters are working effectively. And here are some simple tips to help you do just that. Inspect your gutters regularly, checking for any cracks, holes, or blockages due to debris or leaves. Thoroughly clean your gutters at least twice a year in the spring or fall, removing any obstructions and ensuring effective water flow. Protect your gutters from animals that may try to nest inside them during the colder months of the year by installing mesh covers. Remember that gutters have a lifespan and will eventually need to be replaced. The frequency of replacement depends on the material of the gutter, typically ranging from 20 to 30 years. Hiring a professional for any gutter-related tasks is highly recommended. They have the expertise to ensure everything is installed and managed correctly, protecting you from potential harm or injury and keeping your property in good condition. When it's time to replace your gutters, call on the professionals at Sure Thing Roofing Contractor for proper installation and to ensure your home remains protected.